Angel Locsin binasag na ang katahimikan, naiyak dahil sa korupsyon. Binasag na nga ni Angel Locsin ang matagal na rin niyang pananahimik sa social media para ipakita ang kanyang paninindigan at pakikiisa kontra korupsyon. Aniya, "Today, I am breaking my social media silence to all Filipinos fighting corruption. May God give you more strength to keep going." Watching the hearings, I couldn't help but remember the messages and news of people begging for help, families with homes washed away, parents who lost their work, lives lost to floods or typhoons. Naiiyak ako sa galit kasi pwede palang hindi sila naghihirap, pwede palang walang nasaktan, pwede palang walang namatay. Ang bigat, nakakapanghina yung ganitong kasamaan, pero mas nakakapanghina kung mananahimik lang tayo. Kaya we keep speaking, we keep fighting for truth, for justice, for change, no politics, para sa tao.